Amazon error 5461 typically occurs when trying to purchase digital content while the one-click payment method is disabled, or there's a problem with the payment method associated with the Amazon account. Here's a brief guide on troubleshooting. Check payment settings. Ensure the one-click payment method is enabled. Go to your account on Amazon, select one-click settings and activate it. Update payment method. Confirm your payment method is valid and updated. Add a new payment method or update the existing one if necessary. Go to your account, payment options to manage and update payment methods. Verify account information. Ensure all account information, including billing address, is accurate. Go to your account, your addresses, and confirm the billing address. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes a cache or cookie issue may interfere with the checkout process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies and then try the purchase again. Contact Amazon support. If the issue persists, reach out to Amazon customer support for further assistance. They can check your account and payment details, offering specific solutions to resolve the error.